Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are good. If you are seeing my face for the first time, my name is Chioma. Kindly subscribe to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for your constant love and support. So guys, yes, today I'm going to be trying out vlogging in this school. Yes, so I'll be doing like a week, not a week, like a weekly vlog. So yes, actually had class today from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. but it was cancelled for some reasons. So my next class is from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. So yeah, till then I have enough time. I think this is past 9. Yeah, so I've got enough time to like do other things, probably my assignments. I've got assignments to do and notes and all. So yes, and it's my first time in this school. Like, I am still a new student. So that'll be all for now. I just have to update my notes to like 12 because I've got tons of notes to copy. Like, I've really got notes to copy, but I've gotten to a reasonable extent actually. So I think I just have few left. So yeah, I'll copy my notes to like 12 p.m. Then I'll start getting ready for my class by 1 p.m.
So irreplaceable, and everybody knows I want you, but I've always been so invisible to you. But I'm just waiting on you to pull back the curtains, and I've been standing on the sideline waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me up. Imagination is chasing after innocent love, but I've been wasting so much time living on cloud nine. Am I the only one who dreamed this up? And I've been standing on these highlights waiting till the time's right to make you mine. 'Cause ever since the first time you opened up my world, I just can't seem to close my eyes and sleep. I'm locked inside this daydream, don't need any saving. But I need you to wake me when I fall asleep. I'm dreaming that you think of me, but if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool. Oh, when I fall asleep, I'm dreaming that you think of me, but if you're just too cool, I won't be your fool.
go to my hostel. Back from my class for today. See how sweaty I look. I wanted to buy food, but I could not buy food because the queue I saw there was not me that was standing in that queue. I just brought the lights, make like go inside my room. That's nice. Oh, today was like a half day, but it was stressful. Just have to go and shower.
But I need you to wake me up. Need you to wake me up.
Hey guys, welcome to another day. So today is Tuesday, second day of the week. I just came up from writing impromptu test. Just goes out of my life. Came up from writing impromptu test. As you can see, I'm sweaty and no. I don't have another class for today, but we'll have meeting. We've got meeting. I think they said we have meeting with the VC, yes. By 11:45, 12 noon, but we have to be there before 11:45. So what's the time now? The time is past 10 and by 11 I'll leave. And then after that, I don't have anything to do again today. I just come back and rest. God, I'm so stressed up already.
Falling asleep. Girl, won't you wake me up? I hope you're thinking of me. Oh, won't you wake me? Oh, won't you wake me
Hey guys, I just got back from the meeting. We're done with the meeting. Meeting did not actually take time. This is 12:56 or so. So yeah. Oh, I look like a piece of shit. So should you excuse me first? Hello guys, good morning. Welcome to another day. Don't know if you guys can hear me, but I just hope so. So I'm on my way to class. I have class by 10. This is past 9, but I want to go and get food first because the queue in the morning is usually lesser than later in the day after your class. So I'll just get food and keep it. So after my class, after just one class, the 10 to 2. After that, I don't think I have anything to do again. So yeah. Hello guys, welcome to Friday. I know this video has been going somehow I don't even know how good it will look when I edit it and all, but anyhow it is, you guys just have to manage it and bear with me because the week, like yesterday was Thursday and I don't think I did any vlog because I did not really do anything yesterday. I was just copying notes all through and I didn't even think of vlogging it at all. But I was copying my notes yesterday. I think I did my laundry. I washed my clothes. I think I did a little video of that. So that was basically what I did yesterday. And today, Friday morning, a very cool Friday morning, I've had my bed. As you can see, I'm ready to leave. I don't even know where I'm going this morning, but I am going. Are you guys coming with me? Yes, and today is Friday. Fridays are always like 3 days, half day. So yeah, I know I don't really have much to do today. I don't think I even have classes today. I think the class I have, I think they said we're having online tests or so the class might not hold. Maybe we'll just have to get to do the online test. And yes, I've got some clearance to do this morning. Yeah, this early Friday morning. This is still past 7, so I'll just go to do those ones, and that'll be all for today. My online test, I can do it anywhere, walking on the street, in my room, anywhere I find good network. So that's basically it. And I don't know, this video might be the last video I'm going to do talking, so in case it is the last, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. If you made it this far, thank you so much. You guys are the real MVP. To my subscribers, my returning subscribers, my old subscribers, I love you guys so much. You have no idea. You guys keep me going in this YouTube journey and everything. So yes, thank you guys for your constant love and support. Yeah, so I wish you guys a very happy weekend. Bye.